Successful Writing, Upper Intermediate by Virginia Evans. Express Publishing, 1997. All rights reserved. Unit 1. Describing People. Exercise 1, page 4.
Wow, Pam, this beach house is beautiful. I wish I'd come sooner. What a fantastic view. You are so lucky moving here.
I know, and not just for the house. I've met this wonderful man. And guess what? He's asked me to marry him.
What? Do I know him? Come on, you must tell me everything.
His name is Paul, and we met at the marina. He's fixing up his yacht. It's a kind of hobby for him. He told me it helps him to relax when he isn't working. He's a writer, you know.
How exciting! What does he look like?
Well, he's quite tall and very well built. Probably from all that hard work on his yacht.
Tell me more.
Okay, he's in his mid-30s. He's got a nice oval face and gorgeous blue eyes. His hair is short and brown. He usually wears jeans and T-shirts, you know, casual clothes.
So what's he like?
He's certainly good-humoured. Paul always likes to share a joke. He's quite imaginative, too. He's never boring.
He sounds too good to be true.
Well, I suppose he can be a bit short-tempered occasionally. You can judge for yourself, though. He's invited both of us to dinner tonight. He's going to cook paella, his favourite Spanish dish. He's an excellent cook, you know.
I can't wait to meet him.
Exercise 5, page 6.
A dangerous prisoner escaped this morning from Spurswall Prison. He is believed to be at large in the Waxerton area, and police are warning the public not to approach him, as he is likely to react violently. Neville Slatter is 6 foot 3 inches tall and quite muscular, with broad shoulders. He is 54 years old and unshaven, with a square jaw, a large nose, and thin lips. He has long and tidy brown hair and is bald on top. He also has a scar on his right cheek. Should you see this man, or if you have knowledge of his whereabouts, please contact your local police station.